Welcome back to Digitech Dynamo. In today's video, we're going to create a simple project where a touch sensor controls a relay. Let's dive right in. Components Introduction. For this project, you'll need an Arduino board, a touch sensor, a relay module, a few jumper wires. We've connected the touch sensor to pin 2 and the relay to pin 3 on the Arduino. The touch sensor will be used to toggle the relay on and off. We start by defining the pins for the touch sensor and the relay. In the setup, the relay is initialized as off. The main loop reads the state of the touch sensor. If it detects a touch, the relay state toggles between on and off. We've also added a debounce delay to prevent multiple toggles from a single touch. Let's upload the code and see how it works. As you can see, every time I touch the sensor, the relay toggles between on and off. This simple setup can be used to control various appliances with just a touch. That's it for today's project, a straightforward way to control a relay using a touch sensor and Arduino. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe Digitech Dynamo for more DIY electronics projects. See you next time.